Okay, today we're going to make a recipe by Erick Castro, San Diego bar. There's the recipe right there. And we're going to start doing it. First thing we're going to do is a half of Plantation, 3 stars. These are the rums that go into it. Plantation, half Smith & Cross. This is a bit overproof, lots of aromatics and flavor. Next, half Plantation Original Dark. Again, adds a lot of aromatics, flavor. And next, a half of the Clement Premier, 80 proof. This is the agricole, kind of a grassy flavor. Next, we're going to put 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. We use the Dole in the can. Next is 1.5 Coco Lopez. Stuff is a little viscous. Takes a while if it's a bit cold. I just took mine out of the refrigerator. And next we're going to do essentially 1/2 ounce of lime juice. What I like to do is put a 1/4 of the key lime, Nellie Joe's. You can get that at Walmart. And then 1/4 of the Persian lime, the usual. And then we want to whip this with just a few pebbles of ice in the shaker. You shake it until that ice melts down. About 40 shakes. The ice is still not melted, but we're going to try to put it in this chimney glass that already has crushed ice in it. And trying to pour the big one into that tiny of a rim. It's best to pour it back in the shaker. And then go ahead and pour it into the smaller glass. I'm going to put about 3/4 full ice in the chimney glass to allow for the liquid. And next we need a long straw. And this should be decorated with a cherry and a pineapple frond, a few other things. But this will suffice. And there we have it. This is Pina Colada by Erick Castro. 16% ABV, so very easy to drink.